So this is our source, this is our voltmeter, this is our LED with in a tube, this is our 47 ohm resistor, this is our LDR, and this is our 10 kilo ohm resistor. And these are some additional connecting wires and our micrometer screw gauge. Okay, so what we want to do, focus on this. What we want to do is we want to be able to set up the circuit. So as you can see, if you look at the circuit, you also see that I have the apparatus put in the same position. Okay? So that's the key to electrical circuit diagrams. You want to set up the components exactly how it's in the circuit, and then you make your connections. So if we look at our circuit, so we're back to our circuit, you would see there's a connection from the positive of the source to the positive of the LED. Now LEDs, what I did is I put in a little piece of tape, so you'll know which side is positive. So once you're seeing this, that's the positive side. So this is positive, the red is positive, so I'm taking a connection from the positive to the positive of the LED. Now if you look at back at the diagram, you see from the negative, it's to this side of the 47 ohm resistor. This is my 47 ohm resistor. Negative is black, so I'm doing the connection here. So if we look back at the diagram, there's a connection between the LED and the 47 ohm resistor. So I'm using the wires with the two crocodile clips. And I'm making that connection. Some of the wires are a little bit old, so just be gentle with them, but they work. Okay, so then we see that there's a connection from the LED to the LDR. So I'm going to use the next crocodile clip, both ends. So from the positive, I notice this is all the positive side. So I'm back here. This is all connected to the positive side of the source. What I want to also ensure is that these two wires are not touching each other. These two crocodile clips are not touching each other because they will short if they do. So you want to do that, and you connect them to the LDR. Okay, and then from the LDR, we connect them to the 10 ohm resistor. So again, one of the other crocodile clips. Now remember, resistors don't have polarity, so we don't have to worry too much about which side is positive and which side is negative. And then from the other side of the 10 ohm, we're going to the 47 ohm resistor. And just to remind you all, this is all connected to the negative side. So you can go back and trace back. This is negative. So this side is negative. So I can make my connection here. Okay, see that? This is all going back to the negative terminal here. Okay. So now we want to connect our voltmeter. So if you look at the circuit here, the voltmeter, this side, one side is going to positive. This side is going to negative. So we look at our voltmeter. What is marked common is negative, and the other one that's saying volts and milliamps and ohms and so on, that is our positive. So this side is positive, going to the positive end, and again, if you're uncertain, trace back. This is positive, so this side is positive, which means that what came to the LED here is positive. So we put our terminal here. Again, if we're not certain, trace back. This side is negative, this side is negative, here is negative, so which means this side here is connected to the negative. So Again, we want to make sure the crocodile clips are not touching each other because they will short off. So they're